Hello crypto enthusiasts and explorers. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy FEG token in Trust Wallet. Okay, so if you have a Trust Wallet, make sure you have Smart Chain or Binance Smart Chain token that you can use as your gas or transaction network fee. Okay, let's start. I'm going to log in or open my Trust Wallet account. It needs a biometric confirmation. Okay, make sure you have Smart Chain balance that you can use for a network fee. I will be buying a FEG token worth $50. This one. Make sure that you have the contract address or Binance Smart Chain contract address of FEG token. I already copied the Binance Smart Chain contract. So let's go to the DApp button, this one, and look for Pancake Swap. Okay, I already have it in my bookmarks. Okay, this one, Pancake Swap Finance, and make sure that your wallet is already connected in this portion. Then we will click this button to choose BUSD because the fund is coming from BUSD. Okay, this one. And then we will click this button, select token, this one. So in order for us to locate the token name, we need to search or paste the address or contract address. So I already copy it, then paste. So here, found by address, click add. Okay, then select again, then search. Then choose this token, FEG token. Okay, then click max because I will be buying worth $50. So that would be 286 billion worth of FEG token. Okay, then click swap. Then confirm swap. So gonna check the trade tokens instant. This one, this button. Let's make it 1%. There you go, approve. That's 0.84 fee. Then close. Let's check if I already bought. Here I already bought 282,101,500,342.9 FEG token. Okay, so that's it, guys, and this is very simple and easy to purchase any token that is in Binance Smart Chain contract, as long as you have the address and you can find the token easily. Thank you and have a good day.